beverages at the touch of a button. This brewer blends a proven design with practical features. Select from 3 cup sizes and brew your perfect beverage every time in under a minute. The K-Classic brewer has a 48-ounce removable reservoir for even more brewing between refills. You can program the brewer to turn off automatically 2 hours after the last brew, helping to save energy. The drip tray holds a full 8-ounce accidental brew for easy cleanup. On the go, simply remove the drip tray to accommodate a travel mug. Using the K-Classic brewer is simple and convenient. Just pop in your favorite K-Cup pod and select your brew size to enjoy a perfect brew.
Introducing the 2-in-1 hybrid coffee brewer for K-Cup and ground coffee by Spoli. This compact, innovatively designed machine fits perfectly with any space. Simply fill the water reservoir and press the K-Cup or ground coffee button. Hybrid technology brews coffee quickly and at the perfect temperature. Enjoy your cup of tasty coffee in just 3 minutes. Easily clean the coffee machine every 2 months by simply pressing 2 buttons.
Hi, I'm Kara for Hamilton Beach, and this is the Scoop single-serving coffee maker. If you're a coffee lover who spends a lot of time on the go, then making more than 1 cup at a time usually means you're wasting good coffee. And that is why the Scoop coffee maker is the single-serve coffee maker you need. Just scoop your favorite ground coffee with the special scoop filter, place in coffee maker, add water, and brew. Make only as much coffee as you want. It brews up to 14 ounces into a travel cup or coffee mug. It brews hot, fast, and has customizable brewing to provide a better tasting cup of coffee. Just choose regular or bold. So save money, save coffee, and enjoy life more with the Scoop. Now that's good thinking.